Hello, welcome to my other video of my unbagging and review of the Uniqlo Gunpla 40th anniversary t-shirts. These are recently on sale and I just jumped onto it. So these are the 40th anniversary of Gunpla, and it's the second installment of the Uniqlo series. However, the first series were actually Gundam 40th anniversary Gundam, whereas this time it's Gunpla. So yeah, for this one I only got two, because I'm only probably gonna wear these. So the front is printed MS06 Saku 2. And on the left arm, actually, on the right arm, you got the Neo Zeon, well not Neo Zeon, you got a Zeon logo, and at the back, if you can see, it's the mass production Zaku. Pretty neat. Whoops, sorry. And that's as simple as that. Just that. All printed. Print stuff. Now put this aside. I'm bagging this guy. I already unbagged the guy. Do the ceremony of unbagging. However, this white one is really cool. You still got the tags here, and the print is on the front, in the front, and here the Gundam head is actually stitched. So if you can see it here, it's stitched on, whereas the rest is printed. So that is pretty cool. And then now this is on your left arm. The Gunpla logo, it's also a stitched tag, which is pretty cool, unique. And you got the model runners with a Gundam model in there. Pretty cool stuff. In the back it's blank, nothing. These are cotton, all cotton. Just wait for it for free shipping if you want. If you can't wait, but now it's on sale. Instead of $14.90, it's $5.90, I think. That's pretty much it. Just want to show you guys the differences between a few of these. The left logo on the previous Gundam 40th anniversary, some of them are stitched, and now it's printed. But for this guy, yeah, this is stitched. Pretty neat. Show it again. Yeah. Alright, hope you like this video. Subscribe and like, and I'll see you next time.